10 years of traveling the world has taught me a lot, but living in China has completely changed my life, especially 2 years ago when my search for ultimate hair health led me to this remote village in southern China. I came to learn from the Yao women, a tribe famous for having the world's longest and healthiest hair that defies aging. Their hair never turns gray and stays almost perfect. This is one of China's oldest tribes. They haven't changed for centuries. I've been studying and mentoring under these women for over 2 years, trying to perfect my own hair care routine. Because about 2 years ago, I had a hair crisis. I had completely ruined and damaged my hair from overusing heat, and I needed some serious help. I learned that the Yao women use rice water to maintain perfect hair. The rice water keeps their hair slick, it keeps their hair from breaking, it restores and rejuvenates dry, damaged cells, and they use something called shou water to keep their hair from turning gray. When you visit their village, they have these ancient books that they've preserved with rice water and shou water recipes dating back over 300 years ago. Chinese people have been using these recipes, or the Yao women have been using this rice water and shou water recipes for centuries. During the Ming Dynasty, Chinese people thought that having long hair that never turned gray was a sign of inner health, meaning that you were going to live a very long and very healthy life if your hair was long and it never turned gray. So they've been trying to maintain and sustain that using these recipes ever since. As I told you, I'm trying to perfect my shou water and rice water recipes, so I brought my journal and went back deep into China to see my girls once again. I need to perfect this recipe. I've been using rice water for years, but I know there was more for me to learn. The Yao women, they're so kind and receptive, and when you go visit them, they are so passionate about showing you everything that they do, how they make their rice water. I love how open they are. They're not gatekeeping anything. They're like, we'll teach you anything. I've had 2 beautiful women that were my main mentors that taught me everything about exactly how to perfect this rice water recipe and get the results that they know work for everybody. This is not a Chinese specific thing. This is a hair thing. And these recipes are so sacred and they actually work, you guys, because I've seen the results myself. But I knew there was more I could perfect on. There's 3 main bacterias in shou water and in rice water that keep your hair from aging, and I needed to perfect how to get the perfect recipe so that my hair stays slick, long, healthy, and that I could share it with you guys. So I spent 3 days with the Yao women. Again, I cannot believe how kind and receptive they are. They live in this ancient nugget tucked away in this gorgeous part of China, and it's such an honor to be able to share their culture with them, that they share it with me, that I can learn. I got my butt on that little moped. I got myself my little recipe. I feel like I've perfected it. I have tried recipe after recipe after recipe, but I know I have got it down packed, you guys. I have perfected it. I use rosemary in mine. I got the perfect rice from China because you can't just use any rice. Ginger is very important. It keeps your hair and your scalp healthy. And the shou water recipe, you guys, I got it down packed. I tried recipe after recipe. I used everything they taught me. I even used the rice water I got from the village, but I did it, you guys. I have perfected the rice water recipe. It is available right now on my website, angelhairbymaryjane.com, and the shou water. Shou water uses a herb called he shou, which basically that herb keeps your hair from turning gray. I also use black sesame in my shou water. Black sesame is packed with copper, and copper is what keeps your hair from losing melanin, which is actually how you get gray hairs. So my shou water recipe, you guys, that I have been trying to perfect, that one I've been trying to perfect with the right herbs. I made sure that I got the right herbs when I was in China. I made sure I got the right proportions. This has taken me years, you guys, but I've got it. I got this recipe down. They're both available on my website, angelhairbymaryjane.com. I'll link them down below. A bottle of rice water will last you a month. Whew, I can't believe I finally feel like I've perfected this recipe that I wanted to be so delicate with, because this recipe has been in Chinese culture for centuries. And I'm like, I can't just disrespect the recipe. I've got to perfect it. And I believe I absolutely did. I definitely used, so I have to shout out the Yao women that taught me, and they allowed me to look at their products and take their products and base mine off of theirs. They totally knew I was doing this. And some people gatekeep, but I'm so grateful that they weren't doing that with me. They're like, no, come learn from us. And if you want to, learn for your own brand, so be it. Thank you, Yao women. I'm so excited to see what you guys think of these recipes. The Showu water keeps your hair, prevents and can reverse early graying if you stay consistent, and that rice water will keep your hair silky, soft, shiny. It's amazing. So more information down in the description box of this video if you want more information on the exact ingredients of everything. Again, to just reiterate, that Showu water has mainly black sesame and heshewu root, and the rice water's got fermented rice water. I'll see you guys in my next video.